Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center. I got 3 guys today. I've never done 3 before. We got 3 military guys, right? So yeah, so they saw my videos and they decided to come in. Brendan that started, right? He saw the video and he decided to get the other 2 guys in here. We have Robert, Joseph, and Brendan. So I'm gonna adjust the whole spine and everything on all 3. They got tight muscles. We did the test already. They did exam. So they did muscle stem. They did heat. Now we're gonna go ahead and adjust them. You ready, Robert?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Let's go face down for me. So with Robert and Brendan, their hips were out a little bit. And they were just tight, so we're just gonna loosen up these muscles for them. All right, bud, here we go. Sorry. Take a deep breath for me, Robert. All the way up. Good. Nice. Oh. One more deep breath. All the way up. Good. Good. There it is. You okay?
Yep.
Have this side up for me, and face this way for me, Robert. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Bend the top leg for me. Bring this forward. Good. Deep breath for me. All the way up. Good. Good. Nice. You all right?
Yep.
The other side.
The other side.
And you just did, you said a 10-miler, right?
Yep.
That's why you're on. Deep breath. Here, all the way up. Man, you're moving before me and touching you. Beautiful. Nice. Let's go face up for it. So headache. So that means things are gonna start moving right up here. Deep breath for me. And relax. Beautiful. Oh. It's a lot louder when you're here, right?
Yeah, a lot louder.
Oh yeah. Remember I always say on the videos that the red ears?
They're red.
Especially if you have headaches, it's always this. Nice.
Rudolph up there.
Yeah. It's not Rudolph. Actually, that's such a good sign, bud. All right, let's go face down. Let me check everything. Man, you all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Nice. Beautiful. Go ahead and raise this leg for me, Nick. Good. Awesome. That was already good. I just want to make sure it's still. Take a deep breath. All the way down. Good. You are done.
Awesome.
My next victim. Brendan, you next?
Let's go.
All right. Let's go face down for me.
Thank you.
Of course. All right. Deep breath for me. All the way out. There it is. Oh, man.
I felt that one.
Well, yeah, you were going to be the tightest in here by far. All right, bud, this side up for me. Sorry, I was going to give you a warning here. It's not going to be as soft as I went with him. Good, beautiful. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good, relax. Nice. No, this
I can hear it.
I tell you guys, it's not a fake sound when I make it on this video. All right, bud. Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Nice. Wowzers, that was tight. Go face up for me. Josie's running waist.
Nah,
Josie,
I'm
go
ready.
see.
I'm ready for this.
All right, bud. Nice. You see a comparison?
Yeah.
Yours is like,
Yeah.
yeah, because the headaches, I think. Beautiful. Your upper back was really tight, and your lower back.
I heard it.
You are done, bud.
Baby, best for last.
You guys gotta tell me how you slept next time I see you. 'Cause, yeah, everyone, yeah, you can breathe again. All right, so we know yours is that way. All right, you ready, buddy? Deep breath for me. All right. Nice. Nice. One more deep breath. All the way up. Whew. Nice. This side up from here. Just facing this way. This. Deep breath again. All the way up. Oh. They were moving before I even touch you. Face the other side.
Great.
Deep breath. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Go face somewhere.
It just feels amazing. I could just feel it.
Man, I'm getting my workout. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
No gym today. Nice. Oh, oh. You are done.
It's amazing.
I think this is the first time I've done 3 in a row. Nice. So if you're watching, don't watch anymore. Just come on in so you can fall asleep a little better that night. Take care.